A great event is approaching. We are the elder brothers. There will come a time when the sun will no longer radiate in the range of frequencies peculiar to it, because it is dimming and a new sun is being born. Its energy will make an incredibly wider extension, coming from the galactic center. It will be an event coordinated with numerous wise forces, both spiritual and evolved technological, who came to help Earth. The flash of light will greatly illuminate every human being on the planet, penetrating every atom of our physical constitution, and creating changes in our DNA so that in the future we can evolve spiritually at an accelerated pace. People will perceive a state of inner well-being, and those who are already prepared will experience extensive states of enlightenment. They will clearly understand what it means to have the notion of God, and will experience immense happiness and joy. This energy will be the carrier of vital force and inner radiance. This first irradiation will take about 14" the time it takes a free neutron to divide into a positron and an electron, i.e., into two polarities. The energy emitted by our galaxy through our sun will be felt by the populations, and we will have the joy of perceiving this state of light charge, which will give us greater hope and confidence, ensuring a quick spiritual journey. When this event occurs, a certain type of Bengal light will be visible if it occurs at night. Something very similar to the northern lights, or the aurora borealis, when the northern lights form. If the event instead is during the day, people will see a particular brightness in the sky, and they will perceive a great inner joy at the moment they see a very bright blue above their heads. A great mothership composed of etheric and biological material, disguised as a comet, passing like a meteorite will be revealed as the driving force. The essential bridge that will act as a medium for forces and energies between the physical and etheric dimensions, in such a way that a colossal energy flow will reach Earth as a massive wave of light. This is a unique opportunity offered to us to achieve an illuminating leap of our consciousness. It will be an exclusive moment, and unrepeatable in the history of our planet and in universal history. It will be an intense energy of light and love that will protect all creatures who have awakened to conscious love. This extremely powerful energy flow will lighten the way, even for the shortest life forms and even at the level of bacteria, or simple Earth. It will practically mean a development for the human being in relation to what he really is in his potential state according to his karma, and the choice that each one of us will make. Then, people will understand the nature of things and will understand the truth. They will wake up from a very long and deep sleep and will see everything around them imbued in divine light. So will be the great event. We are your elder brothers. Most of you surely already want to know when this will happen, right? If you are not on the right wavelength, conscious of everything that is happening on the planet now, it will not help you. You need to be aware now that these changes are coming to awaken you in a cosmic and abrupt way. It is time to stop hypocrisy, envy, jealousy, manipulation, lies, insecurity. Enough already of talking about love, and you do not love yourself, nor do you love the one who shares their life with you. We have now, step by step, to continue working each one of us from within, from the heart, and only then will you see the divine light there, where there is darkness, because faith and love will make you see it. This is a beautiful, magical message that will resonate with many. Thanks to the divinity source of all creation, thanks to all the beings of light and brothers from other galaxies and dimensions who lovingly and unconditionally assist us, and to prepare for this great event. The time of God is perfect. The hope of living heaven on earth is getting closer. If you are not frequently in high frequency, which was so many times published what you should do, what you should eat, etc., etc., it will only make the flash something very painful. Good start of the week for everyone. I am Maria Lustig. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.